Hello, Christopher Carino here. Our lesson for today is all about pattern. Ano nga ba ang pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. In math or mathematics, patterns are sequences that repeat based on a rule, and a rule is a set way to calculate or solve a problem. Example, complete the pattern. So you notice no, meron tayong mga shape. Heart, circle, heart, circle, heart. At obviously, no, ang first na shape natin is heart. At yung second shape natin is circle. At yung pangatlo na shape natin is heart na naman. So nakikita nyo na meron siyang sequence na nauulit or series, no? So ang sabi sa definition ng pattern, magsosolve daw tayo ng problem, no? Okay? So ano nga ba yung last na shape dito? So meron tayong heart, circle, heart, and a circle. Okay? So very good. Dito naman sa second example or second pattern natin, meron tayong star, square, star, square, star, and ano kaya to? It's a square. Okay, so very good again. So next example natin is diamond, circle, diamond, circle. Medyo kakaiba siya sa example natin, no, sa 1 and 2. So ito yung first shape natin. At napansin nyo, no, sa pangalawa at pangatlo, meron siyang dalawang circle. Okay? Pero pagdating sa pang-apat, naulit na naman yung ito, diamond. Okay? So ibig sabihin, kailangan dalawang circle ang kasunod niyan ng diamond. And ang sagot natin dito sa last na pattern natin ay circle. Okay? So, diamond, dalawang circle. Okay, last example na pattern. Meron tayong star, dalawang triangle, star, and kailangan talagang magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang triangle dito. Okay, so ang missing na pattern dito ay triangle. Okay, very good. Okay, ano nga ba yung pattern? Ito ba ay para sa mga shape lamang? Okay, example. Meron tayong pare-parehas na shape. Yes, pare-parehas na circle. Pero ang pagkakaiba niya is blue, yellow. So meron siyang different colors. So first na shape natin is blue. Second is yellow. Pagdating sa third is another blue and another yellow. Meron siyang sequence, no, na uulit-ulit. So yun yung pattern. Sa tingin nyo, ano kaya itong last na shape? O last shape na color, with color. Okay. So, you notice, no, meron sa blue na to is, this is our first shape. Second, ano kaya ito? Okay, so first pa rin siya, no? Ulit siya, first. Yes, that is first and second. And obviously, ang last na shape natin is kailangan first, second, first, second, first. So, ang first natin ay blue. Yes, that is our first shape. Example number 2. Blue, yellow, green. Blue, yellow. Yes. Yan. Kasi nga, first natin is blue. Second is yellow. Third is green. Tapos naulit na naman yung sequence. First. Tapos yellow. At pwede nating dugtungan yan hanggang green kung gusto natin. Yan ang sequence o yung pattern ng ating shape. Yan, blue. Okay. So, again, by definition, a pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. In mathematics, patterns are sequences that repeat based on a rule. So, kailangan natin mag-calculate or mag-solve. So, meron tayong activity number 1. Write your answer on your learning activity sheet. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.